I'm just going to explain how to turn this into a video in terms of getting your Minecraft model, 3D model into PowerPoint. Once you've got it in and thrown in a background, I'll take my text off since we kind of now know what I'm trying to achieve. I would probably then make a couple of copies of those slides, so Control D to duplicate, so that if you're wanting to do a bit of animation and stuff, you've got some options. Just simply move this and get it pretty much how you want. I might even scale that up a little bit. Oops, let's grab the right thing. So maybe actually, to be honest, let's be cinematic, shall we? I'll start with an establishing shot. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll come up to animation up here and we'll do a turntable on it. Okay, and then I'm going to come over to the right hand side and make that happen with previous, so that it pretty much just happens automatically. And then we shall and then you can kind of go to your next slide and decide on how you want that to look. So let's grab that and we'll pop that this way. This one I'll scale it up so it's a whole heap bigger. So maybe I want to go even bigger than this. Okay, and then with that one, I might do some of these don't really make a lot of sense, so maybe we'll just again do a turntable again on that. Okay, and we'll go with previous, and then you could do the same with the other one. With this one, maybe I want to take a look up here, and this is probably quite kind of a cool way to do a bit of a cross reference or something once you cut it up. I'm hoping to actually figure out how to get a much bigger model export, or whether it's able to do this, because the world that I've got has got this huge world anyway, but we'll pop that up there, so that's kind of cool. All right, so then what I want to do is, okay, so with this one we'll go, we don't need to go there. Okay, I'll make sure these are all saying with previous, which is fine. And let's just take a look at our transitions. Do I want to morph them or something? Yeah, I don't know if that's a little, let's just go faded. Let's not be too tricky. Okay, so what I haven't really looked at, and I'm trying to figure it out here, is in terms of going from one slide to another. Okay, so we'll go, okay, so after 10 seconds, it will transition to the next video. I might pull that back a little bit just to make this video a bit shorter. Okay, so I've got my transitions. Let's quickly test it and see if that's actually going to do what I'm hoping. Play. It's pretty cool. Nice. So you could really get in there with a number of different slides and really kind of get in there and see a bit of the detail. I'll just see if it does it for the next one. Is it going to do it for all of my slides? No. Okay, so what that means is on this one here, there we go, I need to go and make sure I've set that for all of them. So I'll make that happen after 5 seconds as well. Okay, so I've got all my slides done. With the very last one, probably what I would do is pop in another slide and make it black, put a slide at the beginning with the title if I want, so that you've kind of literally got a movie going on. I'm using Loom to record this, so I potentially could just have it, bring it up to full screen, and then just talk over the top and talk about my Minecraft models, which could be kind of a cool way to present your model when you're putting it into some of those competitions that come up. Okay, so let's go up to File, and we're going to go Export, and we're going to go to, what do we're going to go to video. Okay, you see I do this all the time. Just choose your settings. That's all good. And then just simply go ahead and create a video. So that's going to be at 1080p, MPEG-4. I'll just put that on my desktop so it's easy to find. And I will go ahead and, give it a meaningful name. Click save. And that will go ahead any moment now. Come on. Oh, there it is, right down the bottom here. You can see it's generating my cool as video. So what I'll do is I will, once that's rendered out and I've finished recording this, kaboom, I will upload both of them so that it's on the Minecraft Facebook page. So let's see if my keyboard shortcuts are still working. Control Shift, yeah, or was it that? There we go. And